Well, new phone, who dis? Spud is currently off having a pee in a bush. We just arrived. First walk in a while because Spud's been away and then I got COVID and so we picked an easy one. It should be an easy one. Yeah. We finally got a booking in this hut that it's really hard to get bookings to, so exciting. We're going to be walking along a river today, so it shouldn't be too much effort. It should be quite flat. What? You alright there, Ollie? You okay?
So my mom just yelped and I said, what? And she said, you'll see. So, oh, bridge, tiny bridge. Hold on. Bridge. Tiny bridge. How cutesy. But yeah, I've officially grown out of my shirt that I normally wear, R.I.P. Riptide shirt. I've almost grown out of my pants. So I've acquired mother's sun shirt. We also got new Reiko thingies in the mail. I forgot what they're called. But yeah, oh, this is nice and long. I'm still on the bridge. Ooh, mother. And why is that bad? Oh, gloves feel nice. Gloves sound
Well,
nice.
I don't feel cold in my body, but I feel cold in my hands.
Oh, that's the same.
My hands. So I'm going to put my gloves on.
Let's see that beautiful face of yours.
Hello.
How pretty.
What, Bubba? It is really muddy. Where are you going? Did you just fall over?
Fashion.
Okay. Yeah, now I've got to do it.
Got a trail name.
I got a trail name.
Mum, what's your trail name?
Socks.
Why is it socks?
Because I should always pack spare socks.
Why should you always pack spare socks, Mum?
Because I always fall in river crossings.
Do you now have a singular soggy foot?
I have a singular soggy foot, yes. My foot is first river crossing. And what did I do?
Nope.
Nope. Yep, I lost my balance, went nope, and stepped backwards off the rock into the river.
Nice.
And guess what? We've probably got about 3 or 4 more of those to go.
So how many spare?
But I didn't drop Pescado or the phone.
Because it was packed away. But you did drop your stick.
Pardon?
You know what the nice name?
What?
L Trust. And first name being EL, last name being Trust.
I'm lost.
L Trust is turtle backwards.
It is. I love it.
We have taken a break because I am overheating and hungry. And I'm trying these out. Rude. And I was even ruder. I was trying these out. I don't like them that much. But they were all I got, so oh well. Hair doesn't taste that good.
What, baby?
Hair doesn't taste that good.
No? You down to your... You can take your thing off now? You've upgraded, haven't you? You've evolved. You are now in my top.
I fear that it will fall.
Huh?
I fear that it will fall.
Baba, are you okay there? What are you doing?
Panic! Panic!
Like, are you okay?
I don't believe so.
Do you need help?
Don't necessarily so help.
How pretty is this? Thanks, bud.
Thank you, Mama.
Again?
What?
What did you just do? Go on. You run away now that you've done a huge great burp. Okay.
I'm flexible. Good thing I'm flexible.
It is a good thing if I... Are you okay there? Got your feet under you?
I'm alive.
But look, we get to walk by the river now. How gorgeous is that?
Talking to Mum about stacking it, I then proceeded to stack it. So now I have a singular height, but I'm taking my space odds. But also, I asked Mum to check where we were on the map, and sorry, I almost fell. And she said that we were getting to this one point. We were not getting to that one point. We were getting way further out. She just needed to zoom out. Not blaming her. It's just a little disappointing. Yeah. Yeah. Other than that, going pretty good.
Where are we?
Hi, bridge.
Do we have any idea if we're even on the right trail?
Nah.
Okay.
But there are trungles, which means it is a trail.
But we lost Trongles for a while, so we may have picked up a totally different trail.
We might be going to the other hut.
We might be going anywhere, to be honest.
But it is a designated track, so it's not like we're off in the wilderness.
This is true. Go on then. I believe in you.
I don't think my knees can handle that.
Oh, Spud. Your legs. She looks like a baby deer. You made it! Still alive. Squishy bit. Well spotted, darling.
Look here. Stop.
You got this. Where are you going?
Oh,
Come on, off you go. I'm past caring. Ah.
Failed miserably.
Oh well. Bud. Love you. You gonna hurt? There's a hurt. Come on, baby, you can do it. Last few steps. You done so well.
Oh, thank you.
The toilet. Two toilets. Snazzy. And it's the hut. What?
You need us.
Hang on, what?
Gee, I wonder where the toilets are. Oh, you have that sign.
Don't be a pain. I was going to call you a dick. Cute.
There's water sign. Oh, what is that?
It's such a pretty hut.
Wellington. Welcome to me making the beds. I'll fix that in a second. Remember in the story? John Cena. No, my dog.
What?
I'm a chaos child. I thought you already knew that. Ratty. There's been an update. I'm also going down to the river currently, so that's where I'm going. There's been an update. Oh, okay, so we got here. There were 2 other people here. And then we came, so it was 4 people. Right? And then, and then this other group of 2 came, so then there was 6. And then, like, a stream of, like, 8 or 9 people came in. And so now there's, like, a butt ton of people in there. It's very loud and stuff. Sorry, I almost fell. And yeah, it's not great. It's very loud, very noisy. And they stole our room because there's 2 rooms. There's 2 rooms with the bunks in them. And the other families, all the other people were in one, and me and Mother went in the other one. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, my bad. Bro, this is beautiful. Oops. But like, sorry, who? There's also a bridge with random trombos over there, but we're going to ignore that. Flower. It's flower. How cute. Yeah.
What are they doing?
Dancing to hip hop.
What other animals can you do?
I can do a coyote. Hold on.
Show me.
Coyote.
That's a cool coyote. That's a really cool coyote.
Thank you. I don't know. Yeah, man, a coyote.
That's a cool coyote.
I can, like, if you draw on a finger, like there and there, you can make it look like an elephant trunk. But I don't know how to make it in our shadow. Good morning, everyone. So we've just, oh goodness, sorry. We just started our hike again. My shoe is slightly wet, which I'm unimpressed about. Mom's back there doing her greatest thing. And I didn't realize, but the last time I wore my buff was in Gibraltar, which means my buff smells like my grandma. And I don't see it very often, and I love the smell. So now I'm very happy because my buff smells like grandma.
Okay, this is one of these very rare moments where I'm going to let Olive go off on her own. Not because I don't trust her, but because like we just normally, you know, roll together. But I don't think you guys understand quite how steep this slope is. So the only way you're going to notice it is if she goes up without me. So go on, love. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Bubba. Oh, no, because I've got to carry 2 sticks up. Huh? Oh, thanks, love. Look at her go. And it's windy, so take extra care, okay? Do you see how steep this is? Go, keep going. And it's all gravel. I mean, sure, why not? Luckily after this it's much easier, I hope. Ah, windy! Okay, I'm putting this down now. So we've got a rock that we're holding on to. Okay, but I just wanted to stop and like appreciate quite how pretty this is. Like, it's so pretty. We've just scrambled up this bank for God knows how long. But do you know what? I don't care. That's the path. Yeah, no, it's hard to see, huh? That's the path there. Boop, boop. But it's so cool. Like, it's so pretty. Do you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the Ardennes. What do we find? The sign.
Halfway sign.
Oh, it's more than halfway actually.
Yeah.
That says 2 hours to the hut and an hour 30 back to the car park. And the women, it's all women, all wahine.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Because the little leg bits have fallen off.
Men can wear skirts.
They can. You're quite right. I apologise. Yes, I'm wrong.
And women can wear pants.
Women can wear pants.
Oh, goodness. Oh,
That was a big stretch. We can do this, huh? I mean,
I see a little fairy door.
we hope that it all carries on like this. You can see a fairy door.
Looks like a fairy door. Looks like a portal.
Oh yeah, 100% Faye. Let's not go there.
Yeah.
Here now.
Some rocks covering the door.
Yeah, let's stay away from there.
I'm not eating M&M's right now. I wasn't giving up on trying to keep my shoes dry.
Yeah. Full shell. I mean, I think we're close. I do think we're close. I mean, that is the path. If you can spot where the path is, you're doing better than us. Okay. So, if you look at all this stuff that looks like a toddler's just scribbled all over the picture, for those of you not in New Zealand, that is bush asparagus. And the end of it looks like this. And the reason it's called bush asparagus is that if you snap it off, don't do it though, if you snap off the end, it tastes like asparagus. And you can cook it like asparagus. But, so yeah, it's the new shoot, but we're going to let a bird or someone like that have it, hey, because it's good food for them.
Yeah.
And it's coming up spring. So yeah, if you ever see bush asparagus like this, you don't get, please don't waggle it.
I'm sorry.
If you, it can be quite hard to spot. This one was just by the path though.
Mm.
That is, you can snap those off and eat them. And they're super yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go.
Yeah.
Onward.
Unstoppable, insatiable, time it now. Hello everyone. I look a little what the hell. Because we have just got into the boardwalk, which means we're almost at the end. So yeah, I'm happy, excited, in pain because my knee hurts, My thing looks ridiculous. Mother just fell over, so we just had a drink and recuperated a little bit. Both of our knees hurt. Both of Mama's knees hurt. My knee hurts. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Been a very nice walk. We met this other family, which was very nice. But yeah. And there's my mama waiting at the end for me. Mama! I'm coming. I'm coming, don't you worry. I'm coming. With my muddy knees. How has it been for you?
I've loved it. It was the perfect track to get back into it. I'm even loving the wind. Like, this is really cool. My knee's been hurting, but now both my knees are hurting because I just stacked it. So, the hut was amazing. The hut was so nice.
Just so you know, dog kennels at the hut. So if you have a long-legged dog, you can bring your dog.
A long-legged dog. Yeah, I don't think the
I don't think the Valhans will make it.
I don't think the Valhans would make it. It's a lot of uppy downy.
It's a lot of. I can barely get up.
Yeah.
Let alone a short-legged child.
But it was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Had loads of fun. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.